Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to override WooCommerce template files. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. Simply to override your WooCommerce template files, you would need just to go to your WooCommerce files manager. And basically to find the files manager, you will need to go to your FTP client or the file protocol. And basically, after that, you will need just to go to the destination path or the path where you have your templates, and from there, you can override them. And simply, you will need just to either delete and paste the new templates or start modifying on the templates code. So as you can see here, you will find your templates would be in this path. It should be WP content slash plugins slash WooCommerce, which is the WooCommerce plugin, slash templates, and from there you will find templates. And those are the difference between those versions. And from there you can start modifying on the code, or you can simply uh, delete the files and override the themes. Another way to do it is by just adding new themes or new templates from plugins or from the themes. And basically, from the themes, you can start override your templates by them automatically if there are some themes that has this code or that has this feature of overriding the templates. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.